Well, I'm self-conscious. Hey vlog, it's Friday night and there's fireworks out on the beach. So guess where we're going? What's up, vlog? Figured it's time for a comeback, and I don't know why I didn't start sooner, but this is actually like our almost second week in Hawaii. I figured today would be an amazing day to start it out because it's Friday and the city is just so alive. It's beautiful. ¿Cómo estás? Every Friday they shoot off fireworks at the beach, so it's going to be super packed. So we're trying to get there at a decent time. And we're going to sit down and reach for a little bit and then probably go into the water, roll it off, check it out. Have a great night. Get cheese. All right, right now we are on our way to
Target.
Okay, we're on our way to Target. Huge, like, open mall, really cool area. They're actually shut it down like a couple blocks because there's an event going on, some kind of like celebration, and it is called
Aloha.
Aloha. There's gonna be like 5 different stages of people doing music and then a bunch of stores and stuff out and about, and so that's where we're on our way. It's from 6 to 10, 4 to 10, something like that. And let's see what we can find.
How is it?
I'm a chef.
That's good. That's really good.
There's so much going on your screen right now.
I know. Don't understand.
Alright, I want a review of all the food on your plate.
I got honey macadamia chicken. It's like a 9 out of 10. It's so yummy. And then we have rice. I haven't tried it, but I'm not a huge fan of rice. Like a 4 out of 10. I don't really like rice. The pasta salad is like a 4 out of 10. I'm not a huge fan. And then the bun. 10 out of 10. Love buns. How about the chicken? Oh, cheese? Actually, I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is, but it's like an 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. But the chicken, so good. Very yummy. Thank you.
I don't have an outro, so enjoy this.